Column addition. There's a standard method for adding whole numbers vertically. This method is called column addition because we line up the digits in columns based on place value. Place value means the value a digit has because of its position in a number. In the number 324, the digit 4 is in the ones place, the digit 2 is in the tens place, and the digit 3 is in the hundreds place. When adding whole numbers in columns, the first step is to write the numbers vertically so that the ones digits are under the ones digits, tens digits are under tens digits, hundreds digits are under hundreds digits, and so on. This alignment is important because we can only directly add digits that have the same place value. Let's add 432 plus 156. We write 432 above 156, making sure the 2 and 6 are in the ones columns, the 3 and 5 are in the tens columns, and the 4 and 1 are in the hundreds columns. In the ones columns, the 2 plus 6 equals 8. In the tens columns, the 3 plus 5 equals 8. In the hundreds columns, 4 plus 1 equals 5. Therefore, 432 plus 156 is equal to 588. No carrying is needed because every column sum is less than 10. We start all the way on the right with the ones column because regrouping may affect the column to the left. Regrouping means rewriting a value in terms of the next place value. If a column adds to 10 or more, we write down the ones digit of that column's sum and carry the tens digit to the next column. For example, suppose we add 486 plus 377. In the ones columns, 6 plus 7 equals 13. Since 13 is 10 plus 3, we write the 3 in the ones place and carry the 1 to the tens column. In the tens columns, we add 8 plus 7 plus 1 equals 16, where the extra 1 is the carried 10. That gives 16. We write the 6 in the tens place and carry the 1 to the hundreds column. In the hundreds columns, we add 4 plus 3 plus 1 equals 8. Therefore, 486 plus 377 equals 863. The important idea is that when a column makes 10 or more, part of that amount belongs in the next place value column. So let's take a good look at this regrouping practice. There are 15 dishes in the sink. Before noon, the kids add 6 more dishes, because apparently 15 dishes was not enough. So we have over here in our sink, on one side we have 10 dishes, on the other side we have 5 dishes. And then we go and add 6 more dishes. So that counts as 6 ones. If we're going to add in the ones place, we can come up here and look at this and see where we have 5 dishes plus 6 dishes. And that equals 11 ones. If we want a visual of how to regroup that, that can then be turned into a group of 10 with a group of 1 over here. So 5 ones plus 6 ones equals 11 ones can be regrouped as 10 ones as 110. If we look over here to our right, we can see that with the numbers, with the 5 plus 6 equals 11, carry the 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2 to give us our answer of 21.